Homemade beauty mask crafted from rice flour, honey, aloe vera, and yogurt is the delightful blend of natural ingredients that can leave your skin feeling rejuvenated. Rice flour is renowned for its gentle exfoliating properties. It helps to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and brightens the complexion. And the next is honey.
Honey
Honey
is
is a
milk on
natural ingredient, attracts and retains moisture, making it excellent ingredient for hydrating the skin. And the third
honey
is
is
yogurt. It's rich in lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin, promotes cell turnover, and helps to fade dark spots and blemishes. Its probiotic properties can help maintain the skin natural balance and improve overall complexion. And the last but not the least is aloe vera. And this is a versatile plant known for its soothing and healing properties. Contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and promote cell regeneration. So all these four ingredients really work well. So the last we have to just mix equal amount. We have to take equal amount and mix them nicely. Prepare the mask simply mixing equal parts of rice flour, honey, and aloe vera gel yogurt to achieve the smooth paste, and then apply the mixture to the clean, dry skin.